Welcome to World Immigration News by Irfan. There was one question that the people who are in Portugal and they are working and they are able to satisfy the companies, they are able to pay taxes. Some people had deposited 25 taxes, some people deposited 6 taxes, and they are very successful people in that country. But they did not lock the file, but some people locked file, but their file locked is not in the system, and their file lock was cancelled. So they are very eligible for immigration because their payment of taxes are complete. They have complete registered, they are working in registered companies. So question is that these people must go to the court for their biometric appointment, and they can request that our taxes are complete and we are working in Portugal. Even file locking law is closed, but we did lock file earlier. But some people who did not lock the file, they were confused, and they were waiting that time will come, we will lock, and they took it little casual. And which these people, what they need to do, I think both type of the people, either you did lock the file and your file was cancelled, and either you did not lock the file. Both type of the people, this is my opinion. You, as I give only opinion and suggestion, and I analyze the things, I dissect the things. Yeah, for details you must go to any professional lawyer, and you can think yourself as well. As being a news provider, and I just provide my personal analysis. You must not go to the court. You will lose money. Reason I tell you, you may win the case, but you may lose money. Just count the statement of the minister of the parliament, who clearly told that the people who are working in Portugal and they are paying taxes, we are bringing separate law for them. There is no any single country in the world in which people are paying taxes, and they are very successful, they are doing jobs. All countries entertain such peoples. Even United States current rules are that if even you are illegal, but you are able to work and you worked successfully, you are able to pay taxes, they compensate you, and they make laws themselves like water, and they entertain those people because those people are very useful for them, and they bring their economy up, and they are very good people. Reason is that because the very good people, in the sense, you will be saying what are the good people, what are the bad people. Good people in these countries are those people who pay taxes. The people who pay taxes are good people. The people who don't pay taxes are not good people. Therefore, if you are in Portugal and you are paying taxes, you are good people. You are good people. Therefore, you are eligible. You are eligible for immigration, and immigration system will automatically accept you. This minister statement is not in the favor of yourself, is in the favor of Portugal. He himself claimed that we are going to introduce such laws by which the people who are working here, who are paying taxes, we will make separate law them, and they are going to announce very soon, because those people they will come in circles, so that those taxes will be legal. Otherwise, those taxes which you people have deposited, country cannot take, because country is not offering you immigration. Simple is that Spain, for example, I tell you, if illegal individual, 700,000 illegal individual, European Union confirmed that those individuals are working very successfully and allow them to pay taxes and legalize them. So you people are legal people. You are not illegal people. So therefore you have plus point. You people are working. You are not burden on the countries. What the such countries want? Such countries want you must not be burden on social security. You must not degrade the country. You must not be criminal. You must not be unemployed. You must be useful. You must have some type of output for the country. If you are working with the registered companies and you are paying taxes and you had fulfilled the required immigration, I don't think a court will not entertain you, and the lawyers will tell you better. But still, I will say your fee can be saved. This statement, if the minister did not give statement, should not have been given statement that we are entertaining the individuals who are here and legally working and working with the companies, paying taxes, and they did not showed expression of interest. We are making separate law for them, and we will entertain them. Entertain them mean they may give you biometric appointment directly. May give you. I am just showing my perception, because this is a minister official statement, and they may give you, and time of appointment will not waste, because you may be thinking that when we will come under law our first tax will count once again. No, might be your previous taxes count, and you may be in a circle in which you don't need to wait for biometric appointment. Might be your all taxes, previous taxes are accepted by immigration department, and you may be eligible for biometric appointment instantly, and you may save the time. Two instructions, two advices from my side were to those individuals who are working successfully: don't leave Portugal in this scenario, and don't become disheartened and deteriorated. Once you will come out of Portugal, then your scenario is different. Now you had very bold point that we are working. That's Portugal's law says. If you are working, you are paying taxes, you are eligible for immigration. File law close or open. That's another scenario. Scenario is very simple. You are professional person, you are working, you are paying taxes, and you are eligible for immigration. Such cases in future, you will get, this is my point, you remember, you will get at least 1 point, one opportunity to settle in Europe. So therefore, this is a very best opportunity for you, but you must hold on. Keep watching statement of the government. Keep watching statement of IMA, Immigration Department, Minister of Immigration or Minister of Presidency. I already announced, so you just hold on. When they will announce the actual scenario, mean that when they will allow legally that you will be eligible for migration, and your the sentences he have used, that we will bring them in laws, and we will bring them in a circle in which they will be entertained, mean that you people may be able to get biometric appointment directly without locking of the file. They may take documents directly from you. So these all things are awaited. Similarly, 40 points, this is also another scenario. 40 points, 40 points word was used by immigration department when they closed article 88 and article 89, that we are bringing 40 point system. When this 40 point will come, and when these 40 points, what are 40 points? 40 points are basically linked with the skilled people and the people who are working in Portugal and who had experience of living in Portugal. This is basically imitation of Australian immigration system, and in which the Australian immigration system, point based immigration system, in which you clearly given chance to use the points. Your work experience consists of the points, your living in Portugal will consist of points, and your criminal record. All, I think the people who are working and paying taxes, they will automatically switch to 40 points. So I think if minister will not entertain you, will not announce, so if they announce 40 points program, which is also useful for you, automatically you will be eligible, and your 40 points will be earlier completed, because the points related to living in Portugal and doing job will be enough to complete 40 points, I think so. Otherwise, when you would have been out of Portugal in your home country, it's very difficult to complete the 40 points. Thank you very much. Australia do this, because Australia, they are imitating Australian point system. The people who are in Australia, they are given preference and their points are more. They are qualified in Australia, their points are more. They are working in Australia, their points are more. They have job offer from Australia, their points are more. The people living in home country, they have less points. Therefore, they are already in a condition of competition. Thank you very much.